guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tasha and welcome to my 31 days of Halloween. So today this look I've actually already posted for a fall look, but I wanted to go ahead and split it up into two looks, partially because I need the extra time to do more looks. So this way I was able to do two in one and save some time for me. And also I wanted to give a just normal fall look that you could wear with pretty much any type of costume, and then a second option for a more Halloween-y look. So this look I'm going to do is actually inspired from a picture I saw on Instagram. The name, I think it's pronounced Pompberry, and I thought it was super cute. So basically it's just like bats and boo and bones and just cute stuff on the cheeks. Obviously our colors are different because I did a different makeup look, but the decaling and stuff is inspired from that. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to go in with a black pencil liner to do the outlines of the designs, and then I will fill it in with other colors. I'm going to go in with some white cream face paint. My eye just started watering. I'm ready to eat I think I got it. For the bats, I'm just going to go in and fill them with this Ico. That's where I draw the line, waterproof, lash enhancing. I do liquid eyeliner. It's got a lot of use. Damn water. Eyes watering again. Then just for some more added dimension, I'm just going to put some white dots all around, kind of like with my galaxy look. They can be stars, they can be white dots, they can be whatever you want to be. And then she had an orange contour almost on her nose, and I really like that. So I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Cute AF palette and do this orange up here. And basically, just like I said, just do a little bit of nose contour with it almost. And then she actually, because she did purple eyeshadow, and she has the purple coming out of the corners of her mouth and around her eyes. I didn't do purple, so I think I'm just going to go in with this goldish color down here that I used on my eyes, and use that. Now I'm just kind of patting it in this general area. Hers is almost a little more rounded, and I'm just making mine kind of pointed. And I'm going to go over top of that with this shimmerier shade just to make it pop a little more. here is the finished look. Just a fun, creative, something different to do little thing. So I had some fun doing this. It's super easy. You can do whatever you want. You could do candy, you could do candy corn, you could do little ghost, but I really liked the bones and bats, and then the booze. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe if you haven't already, because that lets me know I'm doing a good job and that you like what I'm doing. My camera's gonna die, so I'm trying to go really fast. So thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.